What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting a muffler on my dad's truck. It was a little too loud since it is straight piped. We are going to be adding this Magna Flow stainless steel universal muffler. We're gonna slap it right on in there somewhere. We'll figure out the placement of it, but should be pretty easy. You know, I always say that and I always end up regretting saying that, but this time it really should be easy. Also, yesterday or last night I finished up the Honda project car. It's right over there. Every time I tend to work on Dad's truck, something else pops up, but I think this is going to be just straightforward. So we're going to get her done. So I will catch up with you guys later. Alright guys, well that job literally went down without a hitch. I've got the muffler on. This is what it sounds like. It's just a Magna Flow exhaust right there. Welded it in and just put some high temp exhaust paint on it to keep the welds from rusting. Anyways, I am going to head to the dump now because I'm starting the garage cleaning process now. I'm not gonna bore you guys with another garage cleaning video, but I will. When I get back from the dump, I am going to be cleaning that thing. But anyways, I think that'll wrap it up for today.